Not all words can be sounded out. A few you will just have to memorize.
Let's read some of these words with our good friend, WordBot.
WordBot.
First, WordBot will show you a word. Then, you can say the word and spell it with Susan. Say the word with Susan again to be sure it gets into your memory banks. With practice, you'll be able to read the words before Susan.
The. T-H-E. The. Of. O-F. Of. For. F-O-R. For. C-S-E-E. See. Go. G-O. Go. To. T-O. To. Them. T-H-E-M. Them. That. T-H-A-T. That. You. Y-O-U. You. Is. I-S. Is. Has. H-A-S. Has. Then. T-H-E-N. Then. This. T-H-I-S. This. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. Do. D-O. Do. Was. W-A-S. Was. My. M-Y. My. From. F-R-O-M. From.